Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Hnin. If you guys are new, please don't forget to subscribe and click that bell icon too while you're at it so that you can always be notified when I upload. For this week, I'm so ready for summer. I think about summer, I think about pool parties, going to the beach. I want it to be sweat-proof and waterproof, so I have done a whole full makeup tutorial on how to achieve a waterproof slash sweat-proof makeup, and I combined 3 looks for it so that for any occasion you may have, you can choose any look that you want. I hope that helps for you guys, and let's get into the tutorial. So putting on sunscreen is one of the most important things. You can use a separate sunscreen for it, and then afterwards you can put a moisturizer, but for me, I'm using this, which includes a sunscreen. It's SPF 30. Once you're done with the skincare, use a primer. I'm using the NYX No Filter Blurring Primer. I'm going to use a long wear foundation so that it lasts all day. Mine is from Chanel Perfection Lumiere. I think I'm pronouncing it right. And it has SPF 15 again. But my sponge, and I'm using this. So this is one layer. I know this foundation is a little bit on the higher end side and it's expensive, but I will definitely list alternatives for it. But I love this foundation so much that I had to include it in here. Yeah. I think I'm gonna use the Master Conceal from Maybelline. Then for concealer, you should use something that's a cream concealer or anything that is long wearing. Using a mini sponge. So I'll list down all the alternatives that you can use. And I'm bringing it all the way up to my eyelids. I'm setting my under eye with Laura Mercier Secret Brightening Powder, and I'm going to bake it. So I'm just gonna let that sit for a while. So I'm using a cream contouring stick from Wet n Wild in the shade Where's Walnut 806. You don't necessarily need to use this type of cream contouring brand, but you can use any cream contouring brand out there, and I'm just gonna go over that with a powder contouring again to make it much more durable in the heat and in sweat and in water, okay? Make sure you're blending up instead of pulling it down like as I'm doing. So I'm using the Wet n Wild contouring palette in Caramel Toffee. Mine is like crushed, so I'll show it to you. That's how it looks like. In the place that we had our contouring with the cream contour, we're gonna go over that with a powder contour. So I'm not gonna bake it. Usually I would, but you know, for the purpose of time, I'm just rubbing it in. I'm gonna go off camera to fill in my brows. If you guys want a tutorial, please let me know so that I can film a separate in-depth video of it. But I'm going to be using the Anastasia Dipbrow pomade in the shade dark brown and then going over that with Maybelline Tattoo Studio eyebrow gel. I'm using a gel type, and these gel types are the best that you can go for a waterproof, sweat-proof makeup. So I'm back with my brows on, and I'm going to put the Maybelline Tattoo Studio brow gel now. I'm using a cream type eyeshadow from Revlon in the color 750, and I'm using my fingertip and then blending the outer edges with the brush. For the lower lash line, I'm filling in it with the Lasting Drama Gel Pencil from Maybelline. I've used this before, but now this time I'm using a blue. Afterwards then, I'll be smudging it out. And then I'm going to tightline my upper lash line with the black Lasting Drama Gel Pencil. I'm going to just draw a wing liner with the color Tattoo metallic one from Maybelline. On top of my cream blush, I'm going to use a powder blush. I'll be spraying a setting spray afterwards the makeup look, but since this isn't my only look, I'm gonna wait until the last look. But for you guys, spray your setting sprays afterwards the look that you want. Okay, you guys, this is the first look for waterproof, sweatproof makeup. Let's move on to the second look. So I'm putting on the primer again and then just placing the eyeshadow from Maybelline. This is also a cream one. It's the eyeshadow from Maybelline, which are from the Color Tattoo Metal collection that lasts 24 hours in the shade Inked in Pink. And then I'm just blending the edges with a clean brush. You can skip the eyeliner part and just go to the lashes, but I prefer to have my eyeliner on. So I'm bringing the eyeshadow also down on my under lower lash line. For the lipstick, we're pairing this up with Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the color Poet 60. So this is the second look. So cute and so girly and just plain simple. I'm taking the cream contour stick and placing that on my crease line, blending it in. I'm packing this Laura Infallible eyeshadow in the color Endless Sea all over my eyelids. And with a clean fluffy brush, I'm just blending the two colors together. And I'm bringing that contour color all the way down to my lower outer lash line. So I'm not going to draw any eyeliner, but I am going to tightline my eyes with the Lasting Drama Gel Pencil in Smooth Charcoal. Then I'm smudging the pencil eyeliner with the eyeshadow from L'Oreal Infallible, and the color is Eternal Black. I'm just going to place the Endless Sea again only in the center of the lower lash line. Okay guys, so that was quite a long video, but I hope everything was helpful for you guys and there's a look for each and every one of you out there. If you guys loved it, please don't forget to subscribe and like the video and comment down below if you guys have any requests, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!